हाँ, अस्सलाम वालेकुम। वेल, हालात कैसे, everyone is aware about that. Let's hope कि this time passes soon. Well, in the current situation, in the current crisis, it's literally impossible for all of us to be in the college, to be in the classroom. So, but we have to find a way to come up to the challenge, and I'm trying my best to reach to my students, and I hope these video classes will help to students to some extent. Well, I'm not very much technocrat when it comes to these video class handling these smartphones, but somehow I have to come up to this challenge, and I hope I would be able to help my students. So today we are going to discuss budget. What actually the budget is. It is actually, this lecture is specifically for the 5th semester students. In the 3rd unit they have the topic budget and its concepts, analysis of budget and its different to be precise, it is, the topic is budget and budget and different deficits, analysis of budget and its deficits. So to start with, budget is something like we all are familiar with, every one of us, whether it's the student of the economics or whether any layman language, everyone somehow uses the word budget in our day-to-day life. For example, usually when shopping gasun, so we used to say that budget kitna hai aapke paas, kuta pons chu. By budget we simply in a layman language, by budget we simply mean it's a sort of a money we possess. But for economics it is something different. It has a vast meaning, and it's very important when it comes to the it's one of the strongest tool the government has. तो बजट अगर हम असल में देख लेंगे तो इस बजट there is no mention of the word budget in the Constitution of India. Yus es Constitution chu India kis Constitution chu, there is, if you will see each and every page of the Constitution, you will not find the word budget. So where from this word budget comes? So when we go into the origin of this word budget, it's derived from the French word budget. Yeah? I'm not able to pronounce it, but you can find it in your books. By this French word budget, this word budget has been derived from this French word, which actually means leather bag. By leather bag, यहो छु वजह खबर तो अगर तो नोट्स है सुजाकिल कुरमुत यम साथ मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ फाइनेंस मिनिस्टर छु बजट उस अनन पार्लियामेंट्स में, ही यूज्ड टू कम विद दैट ब्रीफ केस. तम सो अस सु दो बीइंग अ स्टूडेंट, या मे थोड़ा याद प्रणब मुखर्जी व्हेन ही यूज्ड टू बी द फाइनेंस मिनिस्टर चिदम्बरम यम साथ योनस फाइनेंस ये बजट है, तम सो लेदर बैग सहित. इट इज जस्ट टू कंटिन्यू विद दैट कस्टम, because matlab use asan leather bag, so that's why they come up with that leather bag. But in the recent past, Nirmala Sitharaman yim budgets pesh kar, timo on so bag suh ke timo on bahi khata, they replaced this tradition by the word bahi khata. So that's not important, just for your general information. Budget is derived from the French word budget, pronounce it properly, which simply means a leather bag. Well, the budget, when it comes to budget simply means, in a simple terms, budget simply means income and expenditure of the government. यम साथ इस budget इच काच करन, it simply means कि सरकार कहाँ से पैसे लाती है और अपने पैसे कहाँ खर्च करती है. ये सिंपल यम साथ इस कौन आम इंसान वन budget उक मतलब क्या गो सु दपन तो पोंस कपर गवर्नमेंट अनन पोंस कपर गवर्नमेंट खर्चावन छा ठीक. तो well, this budget, it has a different budget, it has a political aspect as well. But being the students of the economics, we are confined it only to the economic point of view. It's from budget study from the economic point of view. But to add the information, you see budget show, as such there is Constitution of India has mentioned budget word mention kare. There is a word annual financial statement. Annual financial statement. Article 112 Constitution article issue such annual financial statement. budget word छुन जिक्र तत कह what this annual financial state mean annual financial statement छुस यी वनन कि government government sarkar स कपर पन पोसन how it generates the income and how it disperses मतलब यह पन income जीन यपर पन पोस अन यह कत वतन मज तम पोस खर्चाए यह जनरल कॉन्सेप्ट बजट सह यी कि पैसे कहाँ से आते हैं और पैसे कहाँ जा रहे हैं ठीक तो इस बजट इट इज़ बीइंग प्रिपेयर्ड बाय द डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ इकोनॉमिक अफेयर्स इस मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ फाइनेंस क्योंकि सारे पता कि मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ फाइनेंस मिनिस्ट्री बजट पर प्रेजेंट तो बट इट इज़ बीइंग प्रिपेयर्ड and presented by the Department of Economic Affairs. You guys general knowledge खतर थोन याद Department of Economic Affairs तो present छु करन पर Finance Minister अच्छा ठीक तो when it comes to budget has three types of data three datas in budget there are three types of data अच्छा ठीक first is called annual data या actual data. The second type of data is called provisional data. And the third type of data is called budgetary estimates. Which is you see actual let's take an example. February, in the month of February kuruk budget page for the year 2020 to 21 financial year छु आसान 1st April to 31st March ठीक है गो इस यौ कुर बजट पेश निर्मला सीतारमन सु कोर तम पेश फॉर 1st April 2020 to 8 April 8 March 2021 ठीक at बजट्स मज त्रे टाइप ऑफ डेटा वन इज एक्चुअल डेटा प्रोविजनल डेटा तो बजटरी एस्टिमेट एक्चुअल डेटा गो कि असल में एक्चुअल डेटा इट सिंपली मीन्स कि 2020-21 क्योंकि बजट कत ईयरस मज कोरुक प्रेजेंट अगर तुम फाइनेंशियल ईयर वो यह कोरुक फाइनेंशियल ईयर 2019-2020 मज बजट यवन प्रेजेंट करना क्योंकि February 2020 इट इज द पार्ट ऑफ 2019-2020 फाइनेंशियल ईयर इज इट क्लियर ये साथ एक्चुअल डेट कत कर इट मीन्स कि यह वन कि 2018 तो 2019 एक्चुअल फिगर्स financial year 2018 to 2019 actual figures. So data which tells us about the actual figures of the financial year 2018-2019 that is on actual data. So just पूरा पता आसन government से पूरा पता आसन कि 2018-19 में क्या मीन data क्या मीन figures. That's why it is called actual क्योंकि सोरी आसन actual सो आसन मकलूम सोरी. Then we have the provisional data for current year अमु मतलब वो current year कत years में करूँ budget present कुरुक ये in the financial year 2019-2020 अत वरियस मज क्योंकि it is still going ये 8 March 2020 ताम फाइनेंशियल ईयर 2019-2020 अत ईयरस मज कम प्रोविजनल डेटा करंट ईयर क्या क्योंकि it is still going अत वरियस मज क्या एस्टिमेट्स कम कूता एक्सपेंडिचर कूता रेवेन्यू it is still going on ये गो नो कंप्लीट कि इसलिए अत प्रोविजनल डेटा then we have the budgetary estimates for future for the following year वहीं कम वरियुक बजट दिवन बजट दिवन 2019-2020 यह बजट दितुक सह दितुक 1st April 2020 to 31st March 2021 which is वत न तथ वरियस मज still we are not in that year तो पे दिवन estimation कि in coming year in following year कूत्या आसन expenditures कूत्या आसन revenue कपर कूता आसन we just come up with the figures estimate बनावन ऐसी rough estimates बनावन budgetary estimates what is going to happen in the next year तथ budgetary estimates. These are the three types of data which are three type of data यम x budgets मज आसन. So to wrap up the things क्योंकि I could not be able to make the large big बड़ video हेक न बनाइथ में because it comes then we have to upload them तो पत गसन तम upload ते गसन. Budget simply it has been derived from the French word budget वेमिक मतलब लेदर बैग छा ठीक फ्रेंचस मज कस्टम तो सुई कस्टम ये पकनावन The budget zikr constitution maz kiya. There is an article 112 in the Constitution of India which says that for a country there should be an annual financial statement. So budget beak naw annual financial statement. By annual financial statement I simply mean to say that ki yus wanan yus budget chasan yus government wanan ki yeth various maz kya kar ba kapar an ba pons kapar kharcha ba pons roughly a basic layman language hunda point chu kahan se paise लाएंगे kahan और कहाँ कोद करो इस खर्च ठीक. तो पता में कि देर आर 3 टाइप्स ऑफ डेटा, एक्चुअल डेटा, प्रोविजनल डेटा तो बजटरी डेटा. नाउ बजटस मज अगर सारे बोजमुत प्लान डेवलपमेंट प्लान, नॉन डेवलपमेंट प्लान एक्सपेंडिचर सॉरी या डेवलपमेंट एक्सपेंडिचर्स, नॉन डेवलपमेंटल एक्सपेंडिचर्स. बजटस मज क्या एक्सपेंडिचर्स आसान तिमन एडन एक्सपेंडिचर्स वन डेवलपमेंट एक्सपेंडिचर्स एडन वन नॉन डेवलपमेंट एक्सपेंडिचर्स. By development expenditures we mean tim kharche, tim expenditures of the government which are meant for the development of the country. Tim pons yim kharcha ho for the development of the country tat kharchas tat expenditures is one development expenditure. Simply suppose construction of roads, construction of buildings, construction of industries, yim construction of railway, which will help us for the development of a country, those expenditures are called developmental expenditures. Is it clear? Then there is a non-developmental expenditure. Suppose yem sat asset creation mulkas gas kien. Suppose tankhash mulazman hund yit kharchi ya governments em sat asset creation gasan kien ya day to day routine government run karne khatra ch pons zarurat kien expenditures zarurat which are not meant for the development purposes. Timan expenditure ch wana non-developmental expenditures. Development expenditure to non-development expenditure in the budget 1967-1968 yus budget was totam was expenditures they were being classified as development expenditure and non-developmental expenditure. Is it clear? Post 1987-88 budget, at the 1967-88 budget path development non-developmental budget have been replaced by the plan and non-plan expenditure. Path the book hai when someone is development expenditure to non-developmental expenditure, is someone plan expenditure to non-plan expenditure. The kyunki we all are familiar with the planning. Hindustan's planning planning commission planning commission 1950 पे बराबर 2017 2015 planning commission run कर तिम plan बनावन प्रथ कुन state खतर तिम plan बनावन तो तिम पोस which we used to spend as per the plans in 5-year plans is तिमो मुताबिक यम पोस खर्चा हो तथ एक्सपेंडिचर्स वन प्लान एक्सपेंडिचर या दोयम लफ्जन मज अगर वनो दे वर सिमिलर टू द डेवलपमेंटल प्लान्स. Development expenditure use bilkul only go nomenclature yod go change, otherwise plan expenditures which were for the development of the plan. BSK expenditures is in non-plan, in planning in process maz expenditures. Kyunki why maklo planning commission it has been replaced by Niti Aayog from 1st January 2015. As such, is budget as much plan expenditure to non-plan expenditure? It's not, but it was there from 1987 to up to 12 5-year plan. It's called 12 5-year from 2012 to 2017. So now let's come to the budget. What actually the budget is? So if such as budget the budget is usually we all are familiar with the basic concepts: surplus budget, deficit budget, and we have balanced budget. By balance, let's talk about balanced budget. By balanced budget, we simply means when there is something balanced. Balance that means कि सरकार युता पोंस ज़ेने तुतुई खर्चा है. अगर if the government receives an income of 1,000 rupees, अगर government साव 1,000 रुपया as income, पत खर्चो यम बराबर यो 1,000 रुपया as income, तात budget इस वनन balance budget, तात इस वनन balance budget. The surplus budget, which is usually not the case of the government. Government usually surplus budget asan. Surplus budget को यम साथ government as 100 रुपया और income खर्चा ये 70 रुपया. That means that is called surplus budget. Then we have a deficit budget, which is common. This overall developing economies, they are facing with these deficit budgets. I mean, deficit budget matlab go yem sath sarkar kharchawan hat rupees income kharchawan chu akhat wo pani income ko zyada chu kharchawan, that is called deficit budget. This is the basic introduction of what budget actually is. The budget, to get into the deeper analysis of the budget, inshallah I will be giving the second lecture. Inshallah, in 2 or 3 lectures, we will be covering the entire part of this budget and its various deficits. Thank you.